Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make mocha smoothies. Now, if you're used to drinking a smoothie every day and you're used to fruit smoothies, you may be getting tired of the same old thing every day. Well, you can spice it up by making a mocha smoothie in the morning, using the fruit as well and getting the same health benefits as getting that fruit into your diet. Now, today we're going to be using frozen fruit, and I'm going to be using some frozen strawberries. But you could use any fruit that you want. Berries typically go really well with mocha-based smoothies, so you could use blueberries or raspberries or blackberries, whatever you prefer. Now, what we're going to need in order to make this smoothie is you're going to need a home blender, you're going to need some milk, we're going to need a serving glass, we need a measuring cup, chocolate syrup, instant coffee, and then the frozen fruit of your choice. Now, today we're using 2 packets of this pre-measured instant coffee, but you could also use instant coffee right out of a jar and just go ahead and use 2 tablespoons instead of these 2 instant packets. Now, we're also making a 16-ounce smoothie today, so if you wanted to make more than 16 ounces, you could go ahead and double or triple this recipe. Now, first what we're going to need to do is measure out 1 cup of milk and add that to your blender. Once you have the 1 cup of milk in there, you're then going to add a half a cup of your chocolate syrup. Now, once you have your wet ingredients in the blender, you're then going to open up your coffee packets and you're going to pour those on top of the wet ingredients that are in the blender. Once those are in there, you're then going to measure out a half a cup of the frozen fruit and add that to the blender. You're then going to turn your blender on high and blend for about 2 to 3 minutes. Check the consistency to see if it's the type of consistency that you're wanting. If you want it to be thicker, you can add some more frozen fruit, or if you want it to be thinner, you can go ahead and add some more milk. Once you achieve the consistency that you're looking for, you can then pour that into your serving glass and you can serve it up. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make mocha smoothies.